That is absolutely a challenge, and where we continue to see lost productive time, see costs go up just because of that breakdown in communication. And as I kind of mentioned, on this previous display here, we're able to get actionable data based off of any metric that we want, how many times the machine is broken down, and have it in the form of a report. We can get as granular as we want on some of these displays here and give us as many KPIs as we'd like in whatever format we'd like. But to answer your question, 100%, there always is that breakdown of communication. And if there's an issue at a machine where, a maintenance supervisor is required, or a quality person, or even just a supervisor to alert them of a condition, there's always, if they're trying to reach out to them on a walkie-talkie, if they're sending them a text message or giving them a call and they're at a different part of the plant floor or they're at a different building altogether, that increases those time to resolve some of these, quite critical issues and causes a bottleneck in terms of production. With ShiftWorks, what we have is a call station and on functionality. So if I trigger one of these buttons here, what that does is it sends either a text message or an SMS text message or an email, instantly notifying whoever we specify that this condition has been met. We can set the message to say something generic or say something as specific as we'd like. A saw 102 is down, need a supervisor's attention. And what that really does is it not only gives us the ability to fix an issue as soon as possible, but it kind of really empowers our production floor workers and promotes teamwork really across the board here. It gives them that ownership over an issue. So rather than having to chase somebody across the plant floor or try to find a supervisor, we're able to instantly notify them in real time of a condition and if it's met. And our notification functionality does that as well. We're able to actually trigger a SMS text message or email if a certain condition is met. So if downtime exceeds 45 minutes, automatically send a notification. And that really, really helps us, again, and manufacturers across the globe and our customers be proactive rather than reactive. And I know I sound like a broken record saying that, but that's really the point here, is it enables us to own the system. And based on all of these data points that I've really kind of mentioned here so far, we can collect and report data based off of it. So as you can see, these active average time to resolve per incident here, we're able to really define that within our system and then look at that over a period of time. If it's a shift, if it's a quarter, and we're able to tie those data points by operator as well. So for downtime, for example, I can see that operator A or B has had more downtime against this machine than operator C. And, that's not with the intent of tracking operators, but it really just gives us the ability to pull data based off any metric that we want out of our system, including these average time to resolves, and gives us actionable data to see, hey, where can we improve? What are our bottlenecks, and let's get to the root cause of these issues.